Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ra and you are tuning in to Life of Ra, period. So as you can see by today's title, you guys are going to watch me install this headband wig from LuvMeHair. Yeah. I want to show you everything that comes in the box. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey guys, so I'm just going to start by opening the cute purple suede box that it comes in. The first thing I see when I open is the hair. It comes in this cute little purple mesh bag and it has LuvMeHair written all over it. Well, on the front. It also comes with a 2-pack one size fits all nude wig cap, which is great for laying down your real hair underneath, but you don't necessarily have to use it. And then here's a pack of extra headbands that they provide you with, which is really great because it gives you a variety. So I'm going to open it up and show you all the different styles and colors. First is an army fatigue styled headband. And then we have this cute pink one, which is my favorite color, by the way. Next is this copper or bronze color headband, I think. Then we have this cheetah or leopard printed one, whatever. And lastly, this floral like headband. All of these are cute and I love the variety. Moving on, here's a cute clear iridescent pouch, and in the inside it has a bunch of things. Like this black band that you can use to sew on for extra tightness. Bobby pins for extra security. A black double-sided edge brush and comb. This cute blinged out LuvMeHair clip. Really cute. And then we have some tweezers. Not sure why. There's no lace on this wig. And the last thing in the box is this purple LuvMeHair silk edge scarf. And that was all that was in the box. So yeah, let's get ready with the video. Okay, so I already have my cap on and everything. And I took out some edges that I'm going to make for when I put the wig on. So I'm taking it out. Comes in this hairnet. So this is the hair. It's pretty soft. So okay. First impressions is really soft. It looks really short though. Like, it's alright though. So it has like these two Velcro straps. This is probably from the headband part. Well, it is from the headband part. And it has a clip in the back. So, oh, and on the sides. 2 clips on the sides, 1 clip in the back, and a headband in the front. Oh, and also there's another clip right in the front. So, bear with me. I can't really lift my arms. I haven't hit the 1 month mark from my breast reduction, but so I have to put it on a little differently. So I got all the clips in. I'll just clip this onto the back. So I just latched the back on, and let me pull out all the edges I took out. This hair is looking alright though. Once I brush it and really get it together, y'all can see. It might look a little crazy now, but baby. Sorry if there's any noise in my background. I have this fan on, well, this purifier. I'm using it as a fan because it's pretty hot in the makeup room. So, yeah. I'm going to use my 24-hour edge hold. So I'm going to use the edge brush that they provided with me. Going to do a little swooping. I might have to fix my makeup after this, but it's okay. We're going to get into it. Get this side. Don't judge me if my edges ain't perfect. Like, don't come for me. This side. Let me. Just putting a towel on because I know I'm about to spray a little bit of water, especially on the top. And I really just want to brush this down. I feel like this side part is cute like this. Yeah. Oh, I just took my earring out. I'm trying to do that. Ooh, like look how much it bounces. Like when you put water in it. This is really some good hair. Like, I'm not mad at it. First of all, let me put my darn earring back in. I'm trying to debate if I want to do these side edges or not. No, we don't have to. Put a little bit of water. It's not it's short, but I think I like it short more than anything, for real, for real. So, yeah. Wow. Okay, this is giving. I didn't think it was gonna give when I heard freaking headband wigs. I'm like, what is that? What is, y'all keep trying to make new things, but actually I'm really not mad at this. Like, it looks so cute, it looks so natural. I love it. This is like quick and easy styles for on the go. You don't feel like laying your lace front wigs down. or like wearing natural hair. This is, wow, I really like this. Just play with it however you want. See, I'm trying to get it to my liking, so I am loving this wig. This is really cute, especially for like on the go or anything like that. It really is. It doesn't take that much time. You see how fast I put it on my head? Yeah, keep spraying because I like the brushed out look, but I also like it wet, so I just keep putting it. So off screen, I put some mousse and I put more water, and then I took my wand curler just so I could flatten the top a little bit more. But overall, this, wow, I'm so impressed. So I got this in the deep wave, and I got this in the length 18 inches, so this is not too bad. It's either 16 or 18, I'm not really sure. I don't remember which one I got it in, but if you get the 18 inch, it is $169. Well, that's the price I got it on because it's having a sale, but usually I think it's $424. I'm not really sure. But if you was to get the 16 inches, it is $149.99, and it's usually $349.75. I think they're having a 60% discount because Mother's Day is coming up. So I suggest y'all hurry up and go ahead and get one before they all run out of stock. But overall, it was an easy process putting this on, and the hair is really soft. It's like minimum to a little bit of shedding, but that's only if you like excessively brushing it. So it did come with other headbands like I showed you earlier at the beginning of the video, but I don't really want to put them on. I want to keep the black headband on because my outfit is just chill today. I don't care for it. But if I was to use anything, it would probably be between this pink one and this, what is this, like a copper type of headband? I don't know. But these are the best ones in here. I don't really care for other type of print though. It's really cute, like really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out LuvMeHair. You can follow their Instagram at LuvMeHair. You could go to their website, shop.luvemehair.com. So make sure you guys buy and tag them and tell them that Rod sent you. Okay? Period. Your girl's trying to get sponsorship. It's really been a pleasure. I hope you guys miss me because I have missed being back in front of the camera. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I have more videos to come, okay? Period.